Welcome aboard. I'm Captain Wayne Canning, and thanks for stopping by my Patreon channel and considering supporting me through your subscription. First question you might ask is, why should I subscribe to this Patreon channel? I mean, who is this guy? Well, I've had more than 50 years experience in the marine industry. I've worked my way up from scraping bottoms to being an engineer at a major boat building company. I'm also an author and freelance writer and have written for many national magazines and was a contributing editor at Ocean Navigator magazine. So I feel like I have the knowledge and experience to provide some really useful information. So how does your subscription and your support help me? Well, first off, I can buy more rum. But more importantly, it helps me pay for the expenses of maintaining an internet website, camera equipment, and so on. Plus, I own a boat, and owning a boat, I need more boat parts. Your contributions also help keep me motivated so that I'll keep making more videos and writing more articles to help educate people in the marine industry. And through my videos and writing, I hope to share some of the knowledge and lessons I've learned over the years. So please subscribe to my Patreon channel to help me continue making good quality content for your marine education. Thanks again. And remember, the fun never stops when you own a boat.